Hello everyone, I am JVN Adya Tiwari and I am dealing with the classification of fiber. First we will talk about the fiber. What is fiber? Fiber is a basic component of textile. Textile fibers are hair-like substances with a high degree of fineness, outstanding flexibility and reasonable strength, a minimum level of length and cohesiveness. Cohesiveness is the ability to hold to one another when placed side by side. It significantly influences the structure, appearance, nature and property of a textile. Next is, since there are different types of fiber present around us, a variety of textile can be produced from them. Since there are different types of fibers present around a variety of textile can be produced from them. There may be short with a length at least 500 times, but commonly 1000 to 3000 times their diameter or thickness, or maybe very long with a length of diameter ratio being almost infinity. Means there are many types of fibers. Some are staple fibers and some are filament fibers. Staple fibers are natural fibers and filament fibers are man-made fibers. But sometimes filament fibers, in natural fibers the filament fiber is silk, and staple fibers are cotton, linen. All are the staple fibers, cotton, wool, all. Okay. The next is, the short fibers are called staple fibers, while those with very long length are called filaments. And however, this distinction is generally not made, and both short fibers and continuous filaments are called fibers. Here is the classification of natural and man-made fibers. Natural fibers are first of all animal fiber, vegetable fibers, mineral fibers. These are the natural fibers. Now again, the animal fibers are subdivided in other fibers like silk, wool, specialty hair fiber. Silk is cultivated silk and wild silk. Wool is wool fiber reduced from the sheep, and specialty fibers are camelite fiber, goat fiber and fur fiber. Camelite fibers are obtained from alpaca and camel hair, llama and vicuna, and goat fibers, mohair and cashmere fibers. Then fur fibers, beaver, mink, angora goat, angora rabbit and rabbits. Okay, then now we will talk about man-made fibers. Man-made fibers are again divided in two types of man-made fibers. First is natural polymers, that is regenerated man-made fibers. These are the synthetic fibers made by some minerals, okay, and chemicals. And here is the natural man-made fibers. First is regenerated proteinic fibers, that is milk protein. Milk, the fiber produced from the milk, soya, peanut, corn are called man-made fiber, regenerated man-made fibers. And other one is regenerated cellulosic fibers. These are the rayon, viscose and cupramonium rayon. And next is cellulosic ester. Cellulose esters got from the cellulose esters, and alginates natural rubber. Okay. Now next is synthetic polymers. In synthetic polymers, the fiber got from polyurethane, polyamide, polyesters, that is nylon, and polymerized hydrocarbons and synthetic rubbers, and ethylene and polypropylene. Polyvinyl derivatives are fluorine substituted polytetrafluoroethylene and chloro substitutes and cyano substitutes and hydroxyl substitutes, vinyl alcohol. Okay, the next is natural fibers. In natural fiber, first we will talk about the cotton. Here is the natural fibers. Cotton, wool, silk are the major natural fibers and will be briefly described here. Cotton is, first of all we will talk about cotton. In North India, cotton is sown in mid-May, and 5 to 6 months later, the cotton ball, which contains the fiber growing on seeds, burst open to atmosphere. After the fibers have dried, they are harvested. India has perhaps the first country to grow cotton, and there is evidences that it grew 5000 years ago. The quality of the fiber has improved significantly in the past 50 years from the short coarse fibers and that was available then. Today very fine long fibers are grown. In the year 2000, a total of 50 million tons of fibers were produced in the world, out of which cotton stood at 20 million tons, and the corresponding figures for India were total 4 million tons cotton fiber, 2 million tons, and thus in India 50% of the total fiber produced is cotton. Now wool fiber. Wool is a proteinic fiber, and wool is the second important natural fiber, and it is a hair growing on some animal like sheep, goats, rabbits and camels, with the sheep providing almost 90% of the total wool produced. This protein fiber grow at the rate of about 1.25 cm per month on some sheep, and after it has fully grown, the thick coat of wool is sheared, and this followed by cleaning, after which it is sent for use. In 1996, there were more than 12 crore sheep in the world, and out of which India has 4.5 crore. However, India's share of world's wool production was much lower than its share of sheep. Now silk. Silk is another proteinic fiber and is produced by the silkworm using the process which is very close to the process of fiber production used for making man-made fibers. And the silkworm secretes various fluids from its glands located somewhere below its jaw, and then wraps itself with the filament so extruded to form a cocoon. The rate at which it produces a 1 to 2 km long filament is close to 50 cm per hour. The cocoon is subjected to steaming, and the silkworm dries inside the cocoon and filament is collected. All man-made fibers. Here is the man-made fibers. All man-made fibers are noted above are polymeric in nature and are made up of many poly units joined together by chemical bonding, forming length chains and with a high molecular weight, and they are produced by polymerizing low molecular weight and chemical substances, and usually at high pressure and temperature in the pressure of catalyst. Once the polymer is produced, it can be made into a filament by converting the polymer to a fluid and then extruding the molten or dissolved polymer through narrow holes to give fine filaments. And the filaments produced are generally pressed in a drawn machine so that the molecules orient along the fiber length and strengthen the fiber. Here is the regenerated fibers. Regenerated fibers are made from the natural materials such as cellulose from wood, and that are chemically processed. Viscose and rayon are regenerated fibers, and here are some other regenerated fibers are acetate rayon, viscose rayon, modified acetate rayon. Next is synthetic fibers. What are the synthetic fibers? All are man-made fibers from organic polymers made by refining crude oil or coal, and polyester, nylon and acrylic are the synthetic fibers. And here is some types of spinning. This is used to make the man-made fibers. The spinning is melt spinning. Melt spinning is a process with which polymers which give a stable melt like nylon 6, nylon 6, polyester, polypropylene, etc. And polymers which do not melt like cellulose or those which do not give a stable melt like polyacrylonitrile.